Hello everyone, in today's video we learn how to make this static template dynamic. So let's get started. So over to Windows PowerShell. I am right in C drive, but I want to make it create a folder in E drive. So to do that I'm going to just create a directory CD. Then I'm going to over here and copying this directory and going back and pasting it right here. So all this does is it changes the directory. So now we want to create a folder inside of this. You can create a folder in any drive that you would like. So now I'm going to create a folder in this, and I'm just going to type in mkdir. It basically means make directory, and since this template is called housing, I'm just going to name it that, housing, and enter. So now we have created a folder called housing, which is right here. So the next step is, and now we just hit ls and we have everything, and now we get housing right here. Alright, so the next thing to do is cd and the name of your folder, which is, in my case it is housing, and hit slash. So now we are inside of housing and we want to show the path pwd, and the path is again the same thing. Now since we created a folder in E drive for that particular template to be stored, now going inside housing. So if you don't have get bash here, all you have to do is go to your browser and install git. Depending on your system, you can either download 32-bit or 64-bit. So after you have installed this, you would get something that looks like this, get UI GUI here. So I'm going to hit this and you get a similar command prompt right here. And now we're going to get the git in it and hit enter. So now you will see that there's a git folder which basically stores all the requirement for this particular project. So now over to Sublime, where you'll be having to do all your editing done here, where you'll be converting your static text, the static template, to a dynamic template. So now all you have to do is open the file that you created in Windows PowerShell. In my case it is housing, so I'm going to open that folder, file, open folder, going back and clicking and select the folder. So now we are inside of housing. So now we need to copy paste few files and folders here.